Today I'm doing a special tech review of some budget-friendly lighting gear that can level up your video quality for any kind of content, whether it's vlog, tech reviews, or just creating a clean, professional look without needing to edit too much in post. You might seen in the last video, we set up a cool backdrop gradient. Let's tackle the lighting, because trust me, proper lighting is what makes gadgets look sharp and face looks clear. Here what I picked up. This is an Godox SBUB AT Octa Softbox. This is an umbrella Octa Softbox light diffuser. Cost is $18. This is an Tiger simple tripod, which is an around $3.5. E27 bulb holder, and this one is a bracket for AV focus light to hold for umbrella, 18 watt LED bulb, and this one is E22 converter, just $1. I'll put the links in the description. Maybe if you are interested, you can look over there. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon, which comes with the pouch. Here it is after setting up the Godox Softbox. So you can see the difference from previous and now. I will show you what gear I was using before. This is the ring light that I was using. So this one is not sufficient for me to showcase the product. Here the complete setup. So you can see the real difference. The light is coming right in front of my face. When I showcase any product, so that will be little clear and face looks clean. For any vlog content creation, or you are expecting clean professional video setup, this would be budget friendly one. The complete setup is around $40 only. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on creating awesome tech content. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.